Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm back here doing some style videos and I want to show you a little bit about our Citrine Meridian, which is our new print. It is our Meridian line print. You might be familiar with our ivory kind of Meridian lines, and this is the same print put on top of our Citrine. So I love this color and I definitely wanted to do something very kind of elevated. It's kind of like a nod to like the Burberry plaid, but in our own kind of simplified way. So this is Citrine Meridian in our Janelle top. So Janelle is Joanna. It's similar to Raynell. Raynell is the long sleeve. Joanna kind of hits us here. Janelle's just a little longer 3/4 sleeve, a more fitted sleeve. So in this print, I think it's just so lovely and so easy. But you know, when I do wear my oversized tops, I do kind of like to play with a tie. So Janelle does a really good tie to kind of bring in the style, or you could wear it loose. You could do a half tuck. So kind of whatever you wanted to do. These I'm pairing it with our coral pant in black. So these I'm kind of wearing more as a legging. I rolled it up and I have my boots on. So I'm ready to go. I'm ready for fall to happen and for the weather to get a little cooler here. So, you know, for Hawaii, you could definitely pair it with a jacket. Maybe because this jacket is cropped, you could leave it a little longer. It's super cute as a layering piece. Or you could do the tie and that'll bring everything in. And then you have this really nice jacket to kind of go over. And I love when the kind of sleeves peek out from a 3/4 sleeve jacket, I'm not gonna lie. So kind of play around with it and see how you like it. But you know, I also feel like if you're traveling to somewhere on the West Coast maybe, you could also throw a coat over it and get it really ready for a little chillier weather. And I love how Citrine Meridian looks great under different colors like grays. It looks great with other prints as well. So it's just a really fun print.